So someone asked me how to make stickers using their Cricut Joy Xtra. So I wanted to go through the steps, step by step, on exactly how to go about doing this using images that are already in Cricut's Design Space software. We're going to use 2 images and try to make a sticker out of them. So under Images on the left, we're going to select Heart, and we're going to search for that. And we're going to find a heart that we like. We're scrolling through the list, and let's go with this guy here. And you can see it's selected down here in the bottom. And then while we're still here, let's go ahead and select or search for a dog. Scroll down till we find a dog that we like. And you can see I have 2 images now selected, and when I click on Add to Canvas, it's going to add those to my canvas. And I'm going to click out here and grab one of them, and you can see I have both of them here. I'm going to go ahead and size down this little fluffy dog and put him in the center of my heart. Maybe I'll change his color to black. So now I have this cute little dog inside my heart, right? And you can see I have all these different layers over here that make up these 2 images. So I'm going to grab both of those, move them over here to the side because I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. And I will go ahead and size this down just a little bit. And with both layers selected, go under Offset. And you can see by default it starts at 0.25, and you can increase that offset, which increases the amount of padding around your image, or you can decrease it. Alright, when I decrease it, I have these little holes in my offset, but I like that amount of padding around my image, so I'm going to go ahead and click Apply. And you can see I've got those spaces there. It's causing me a little bit of a problem. So I'm going to click on Contour because Offset is still selected. Click on Contour. And you can see these are the pieces and little parts that are making up those holes in my image. I can click on them here or visually, or on the right I can click on those layers that I don't want and hide them. They're still there, they're just hidden, and you can see I only have my heart now, which is exactly what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and close this down, and now you can see I don't have any of those other images there. I'm going to change that offset color to white. There's my dog because he was black, so the offset's now white and I have the right amount of padding. I'm going to go ahead and click and grab all 3 layers and click Flatten in the bottom right. This has now made it so that it's a print and cut image that I can send to my printer and then cut as a sticker on my Cricut Joy Xtra. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and click on Make It. This is what it's going to look like. I'm going to click Continue and send it over to my printer and then go ahead and do the cut. By adding the offset and flattening all of the layers together as one and making it one print and cut image, I'm able to now make a sticker without having each piece cut out separately like a jigsaw puzzle, and I have one solid sticker that I'm ready to go with. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.